all of you. You are watching News 7 Northeast. I am Honmili Tisopi with the latest news of today, and now the news in details. KSA Hamran Regional Committee claimed Khonsing Rongpi, an unsocialized executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and demand Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to terminate Khonsing Rongpi from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council executive member. Today at around 11:30 am, KSA Hamran Regional Committee organized a press meet in Dongkamukam at their own office premises. In the press meet, KSA Hamran Regional Committee President Probin Timong and General Secretary Babul Tokbi showed their anger and frustration against the annoying and aggressive response by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Khonsing Rongpi to KSA Inglongpho General Secretary Thansing Timong. We have come to know that Thansing Timong was seeking for medical emergency for death or sub-center, but EM Khonsing Rongpi responds in a very aggressive voice and disrespectful manner. So KSA Hamran Regional Committee are now requesting and demanding Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang and MP Horan Singh Bey to terminate Khonsing Rongpi from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council executive member. Reporting from Dongkamukam, Pramesh Terang, News 7 Northeast.
Today we call here a press meet because last on this 2nd of this July month, our Honorable General Secretary Mr. Thansing Timong and the EM in charge medical Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, they have a conflict on telephonics. So on this regard, we are holding right now press meet to condemn him, because if EM behave like a childish character or showing his ego to the organizations, that is not good for us and that is not betterment for our society. The thing is that firstly, the Honorable General Secretary of Karbi Association have requested him and give a memorandum to the Honorable CM also to place a doctor in Rongmungwe Sub-Center, but he refused on the memorandum because he turned the matter into another way due to this pandemic COVID-19. So the whole thing turned into the negative way. So the Honorable Karbi Association General Secretary requested him time and again, but he refused for that, and at that very time the EM also misbehaved our Honorable General Secretary. So in this regard, we appeal the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Honorable CM sir to terminate from the post of EM.
Poor road condition of Jerikindeng, West Karbi Anglong. Through the News 7 Northeast, the villagers of Jerikindeng are requesting PWD department to repair their road as fast as possible. Poor road condition of Jerikindeng, West Karbi Anglong. The villagers of Jerikindeng, West Karbi Anglong complained that the PWD department of Karbi Anglong has failed to do their duties for a long years, as the road has now become a swampy area, especially the roadway from Jerikindeng to Charchim. Because of the repetitive road condition, the people of Jerikindeng cannot even make any movement, especially during rainy season. Through the News 7 Northeast, the villagers of Jerikindeng, West Karbi Anglong are requesting PWD department of Karbi Anglong to repair their road as fast as possible. Reporting from Jerikindeng by Songbei, News 7 Northeast. West Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee raised their voice against the sudden increasing price rate of petrol and diesel. Led by the West Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee President Robindra Rangpar and all the members sit for demonstration in front of the Circle Office Dongkamukam against the unprecedented hike in prices of essential commodities, especially referring to petrol and diesel prices, and submitted a memorandum to Dongkamukam Circle Office area on last Friday. During the interview, West Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee President Robindra Rangpar claimed BJP government are torturing the common people instead of supporting them during this pandemic crisis by increasing the prices of essential commodities and many others. They strongly oppose against the sudden raise of petrol and diesel price rate. West Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee Vice President Wilson Teron, Youth President Augustine Inghi, General Secretary Gulabi Kramsapi, District Mandal President Rajan Ronghang, General Secretary Khonsing Inghi and all the members were present during their submission of memorandum to ARO Dongkamakam. Reporting from Dongkamakam, Pramesh Terang, News 7 Northeast. The current hectic pandemic year 2020 has exposed and teach many lessons to the entire world that how economy plays an important and destructive role in people's lives. The businessmen, laborers, farmers, shop owners, and many other, mainly daily workers, are starving, migrating, and facing problems even to feed their family. From the several survey and interview, it has been reported that the people who have traveled during this pandemic, their vast fare was charged double price for the sake of social distancing, which is unfairly charged to the traveler, and many essential commodities prices are also violated, which affect mainly to the poor people of remote area. But the state government, lawmaker and law protector are still remain silent until today. Now the common people plead the government to monitor and protect law, right and justice of people from being violation. And that's all for you in this edition. Thank you so much for watching News 7 Northeast.